Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present to you the release notes of Boyum IT's Beas Manufacturing 2021.08. We are going to start out with the highlights and then outline the new features and improvements of the fresh release. Stay with me and get familiar with all that the new release has to offer. These are the most important areas improved or added in this version. In the production area, we improved the conversion factor to bring more accurate calculations and added a new bin location field at the BOM structure to set a default bin location for material consumption or reservation. We have changed a couple of window and button names and introduced new icons in the field formula in the BOM and routing windows, and enhanced the usability for the icon of customization. And this version also brings new comprehensive documentation of the Beas Dashboards. Up to now, Beas supported only 6 decimal places at calculating the conversion from one unit to another. In the bill of materials, you can manually change the conversion factor. From this version on, Beas supports 12 decimal places for the factor, resulting in more accurate calculations. With the new bin location definition in various windows, you can pre-assign the exact bin location to instruct the system where to consume the material. Also, in case the assigned bin quantity is insufficient, the system takes the next bin location to fill the requirements. After you change the warehouse, the bin location field is set to empty, and you can only select bin locations that are allowed for the selected warehouse. The following windows are affected by the change. Likewise, the configuration wizard setting, the issue only from default warehouse, has been amended to issue only from default warehouse or bin. Sorting rules for the backflushing and material issue now include the checking of bin location. Also, in the material issue window, default bin location defined in the work order bill of materials will appear. And we added a new import definition for it in the data integration hub and 2 Beas script objects. In some places, we had a wrong translation in the title or text for the collective purchase order. We have changed the naming from summarized purchase order to collective purchase order in the window name and the SAP menu entry. Similarly, the summarized order button has been renamed to collective order in MRP production request, and the work order summary button to collective order in the sales order to work order window. We have replaced the icons that were used for variants, formulas and tables in several windows. Instead of the old C icon, we have the text edit icon. If script is inside, the icon is red. If there is no additional formula inside, the F icon is displayed in gray. Now the icons and formulas have better size to click and they are easier to see. If the field has an arrow, the formula icon is located left of the arrow. With the 2021.08 Beas documentation version, you can access a comprehensive description of the Beas dashboards. Check the description of the different modules, tabs, and all the grids showing production time information, capacity utilization, production planning and analysis, quality control, maintenance, and many more. This concludes our video on the new features, existing feature and system improvements and fixes of Boyum IT's Beas Manufacturing 2021.08. We encourage you to upgrade to this latest version of our solution and keep in touch concerning any questions you might have. Please visit our community on the link below and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.